Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 19 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add vegetation, and then we added the lights. And then now we're going to create all the media. So image, videos, we're going to create that. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to media and I'm gonna click my first image. I'm gonna set my image like this. Want to make sure that everything is covered, and then I'm gonna refresh it. And then here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my camera and I'm gonna change my focal length. So I'm gonna go back, change my focal length. I think that's good enough, and click on refresh. I just want to change this one right here. I feel like the material here is not good, and I noticed that when I was changing this one. So here you want to make sure that you go to path tracer and set it at high, and then refresh it. And then once you're done, uncheck here, make sure that lumen, you choose lumen, and then let's add in the second view. I want to change the focal length here. And then create an image again. And we're still gonna go back here because we need to click on the path tracer for those. And then here, I think we could set it on this one. Change the focal length to 25. And then add it again. And then also I want to add something like here. Add it. And then here, I'm gonna change the environment. So I'm gonna do a weather. So we could click here. Weather effect. I think it's on the next one. Intensity. And here, season. So this one will have this. And then click refresh. And then I want to add one like this one as well. I think this one is a good image as well. There we go. This one I will probably want maybe snow. Or we can do both actually. I'm gonna duplicate this view, and then I'm going to lower this. And then you could increase the wind direction, and then the puddle size as well. Here, no need for puddle size. The speed, and then direction. Okay, so now go to each and every one, and then you want to make sure that you're setting it to high. So at least it's set there. And then this look is really nice in terms of realism, as you can see. I was wondering if we'll do the same thing here as well, but I'm just going to change this, go to my focal length and increase it. I think that's much better. And then this one as well. So I think I'm happy with all the setup that we created and how it looks realistic at all. So now you have to click on quick media mode, and then let's go and create our video. Select this one. This will be our first keyframe. I want to go from here, entering. So I'm gonna refresh it and then go front. I want to center it, so and then I want it 7 seconds. And then here I want this part right here, so another keyframe going down. Five seconds. And then here I want it to go around. Let's leave it at 10 seconds. I want to see how it looks. I think we could do better. I don't want to showcase that empty part there. I can do it here, then in the middle, and then here. I think that's much better. Okay, and then after that, I want to go from here, there, 4 seconds. I want to showcase the car. Four seconds. From below to above. 5 seconds. A one from here going there. 6 seconds. I want this. And then I want to change the weather for this. Wetness. And then refresh there. I want to do is 8. So I want to test that. Probably do it 6, and then I want to go out from here. And then I'm gonna put it at 7. Click here again. Let's duplicate this, rename it, show reel, and then the other one, rename it as shorts. And then for the shorts, this one should be 1000, and then the other one should be 700. And then for the shorts, you always want to double check how it looks, because sometimes, as you can see, it looks farther. This one, I can go inside, and I'm just gonna redo this. Okay, so now that's better. This one we could go here and go for front. Much better. I'm gonna change the view. Also for this one. I just want to double check again the front view. I might increase it up to here, so it's going to be a lot faster to zoom in. I think that's good enough. And then what you want to do is double check again all your image and make sure you save it, because you never know, once you're exporting it, it might crash because of course it's taking too much of the power from the PC. So here I'm gonna export it. I'm gonna select all of the image and then the video as well. And then if you want, you save it again. I'm just going to quit media mode, save it again, and then once that's done, we can export it. And then you can start export. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.